Hey friends, welcome to Bobilon YouTube channel. Look what we have here. Cool and stylish bucket hat. Do you want some? Let's do it together. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. To make this hat, we need Bobilon yarn in micro size. You may need one or two of them depending on the hat size. Hook number 6, scissors and plastic needle. Let's start. I suggest you to leave the tail approximately 40 centimeters long. Lately I'll show you what for. Now we make magic ring, like that. Yarn over the working thread. Get hook inside the circle. Yarn over again. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through both loops. Now make chain stitch. This way we make our first double crochet stitch. Now crochet 11 double crochet stitches. As the result, we should have 12 double crochet stitches. Count the stitches to double check your sew. Pull the tail to tie the first row. Don't worry if you have a rather big hole in the center. Lately, we will hide it using the tail. Now, pay attention how we join the row. Find the top of the first stitch. Insert the hook from back to front under both loops and pull out the thread from the last stitch. Leave it like that. Insert the hook from front to back and catch the working thread. Leave it too. Now catch the previous and last loop and knit them together. Make a chain stitch. That's our first double crochet stitch of this row. In this row we're going to make 12 increases. That's why we make 2 double crochet stitches in each loop. Don't miss out the last stitch. Join the row the same way as in previous. Now we have our first double crochet stitch of the third row. In each row we need to have 12 increases. So in this row we make an increase not in every stitch but every other one. We start making increase from the second loop, third loop we crochet only one double crochet stitch. And again increase, repeated till the end of the row. At the end, count the stitches. We need to have 36 of them. Join the row the same way. It's time to tighten the center. We are using the tail and plastic needle. Do it like that. Insert the needle under loops till you have desired result and secure the thread. As you can see, the center of circle now looks nice and neat. Let's start fourth row. We start making increase from the first loop. Next 2 loops, single double crochet stitches, fourth loop, increase, and so on. Let me tell you an important remark. The final view of a circle depends on the way you place increases. In each row, we always have 12 increases, but they should not be under each other. That's the main point. Join the row the same way like previously. Fifth row works in the same logic. That's why we make increase in second loop. Then 3 single double crochet stitches, sixth loop, increase, repeat it. Let's measure our hat base. I have 18 centimeters equal to 7 inches. If you need bigger size, add 1 more row with increased. For me, that's enough. That's why I crochet next 6th row without increases, just double crochet stitches. Seventh row, we have double crochet stitch and add 1 chain stitch. Now skip second loop, yarn over and insert the hook into third loop, crochet 1 double crochet stitch. Again, make 1 chain stitch, skip 1 loop and crochet double crochet stitch into next loop. Repeat all the same till the end of the row. Now I'll show you how to join this row. Make one chain stitch. Here is chain stitch of the beginning of the row. We find top of the stitch, which is previous to it. Insert the hook into this top and join, like that. Now, dive under chain stitch, catch the working thread, crochet 2 loops on the hook, and make 2 chain stitches. In this row, we continue making double crochet stitches right under each other. Don't forget to crochet chain stitches between them. Chain stitch, double crochet stitch, chain stitch, double crochet stitch, and so on. As the result, we should have 4 rows in this technique. I'll show you one more time how to join the row. Make 1 chain stitch. Find the top of the last first stitch, not chain stitch. Insert the hook into this top and join. Dive under chain stitch, catch the working thread, crochet 2 loops on the hook and make 2 chain stitches. As I said before, we need to make 4 similar rows. Now when we have these 4 rows, let's make brim. We start with a double crochet, now we're going to make an increase. In the first space, crochet a double crochet. That's our increase. Then we do 4 regular double crochets. Now into the next space, 4. Now it's time for another increase. We're going to make it into this stitch. And into the same stitch, we crochet another double crochet. Sometimes the increase will go into a stitch and sometimes into a space. Again, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, now into this space, we do an increase. That's 2 double crochets into the same spot. 1, 2, again 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this stitch, we do another increase. I'm sure you've got the hang of it. Continue this pattern to the end of the round. Now we join the row. Insert your hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through, and make a slip stitch just like before. In this next row, we're going to shift the increases by 1 stitch. Start with 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch we do the increase. 2 double crochets into 1 stitch. Now work 5 regular double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again make an increase. 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Like this. So we've done increase, 5, increase. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Next, join the round with a slip stitch. And now we'll do an edging for the brim of the hat, using slip stitches all around. Just like that. Nice and easy. You can skip the edging if you prefer. It's totally up to you. Cut the yarn. Pull it through the loop. Take a plastic yarn needle, skip 1 stitch and pull the yarn through the next one. Just like that. Secure the yarn on the inside and hide the tail. Our hat is finished. Congratulations! Thank you for joining us. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share your finished work on social media and tag Bobilon. See you next time.